Hello and welcome back to Quick Fit series, and today is full body. We will have 5 exercises with 5 minutes on the timer. You can modify each exercises without dumbbells as well, and we will show you on the window as we go through it. Without further ado, let's get started.
Oh, so suddenly you're poison the air I breathe. But if you don't hate me, then why would you break me? Feel it in my bones, I'm about to lose control. Only so much I'm taking, so get yourself to safety. Cause baby, a storm is coming. You better heed the warning, pray. Don't stay, run away, 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 away. Feel how the rain is pouring. I'm at you like a hurricane. Don't stay, run away, 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 away. Oh, so suddenly you're poison the air I breathe. But if you don't hate me, then why would you break me? Feel it in my bones, I'm about to lose control. Only so much I'm taking, so get yourself to safety. 'Cause baby, a storm is coming. You better heed the warning, pray. Don't stay, run away, 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 away. Feel how the rain is pouring. I'm at you. Away, away, away. Oh, so suddenly you're poison the air I breathe. But if you don't hate me,
Now switch.
why would you break me? Feel it in my bones, I'm about to lose control. Only so much I'm taking, so get yourself to safety. 'Cause baby, a storm is coming. You better heed the warning, pray. Don't stay, run away, 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 away. The rain is pouring. I'm at you like a hurricane. Don't stay, run away, 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 away.
Awesome work! You have just pumped up your muscles and toned your entire body, getting closer to flaunting your strength and definition. Keep pushing yourself and you'll see results in no time. For tomorrow, which is a quads day, you'll need medium to heavier dumbbells. Go for anywhere between 4 to 8 kgs if possible. I will also show modified version of each move. So stay tuned and I'll see you tomorrow.